Hey everyone, today's makeup tutorial is using the ColourPop by Birdie eyeshadow palette, and it's going to be more of a color wash than it is going to be very heavy pigmented. If you guys are familiar with any of the ColourPop palettes, really they're very pigmented, they're very bright, they're very beautiful, but I'm just going to show you guys how you can take a palette like this one that has purples and pinks and bright colors and just make it more of a neutral wash of color. So we're going to start off with concealer on the lid like we always do. I don't know why I'm stuttering, but I am. Then we're going to pat it down with a beauty blender, and then I'm going to go in with that matte color. It's like a pinkish color, and we're going to use that as a transitional color. We're just going to put that on the lid lightly. Then we're going to go in with the dark brown color. So it's like a brown purple. It's very much in that family. And we're going to put that on the upper part of the lid, as I always do, in windshield wiper motions. And then we're going to pick up this kind of purpley, sparkly color, and we're going to put that with our finger because it gives it more pigment that way. You could also use like a damp brush, and we're just going to put that on the actual lid. Don't mind my fingers. I am a colorist, which is ironic because I don't have hair in this video, but that's hair color on my fingers, so just so you guys know. And then we're going to take a little bit of that first color in the palette. It's like a chunky, glittery white color. I am totally messing up my words, and I just keep plowing through this right now, so sorry about that. But we're going to put that in the inner corners of our eyes to open up our eyes. Then we're going to do our eyeliner. We're going to do our entire face. So you guys know I basically do the same stuff all the time. Tinted moisturizer, followed by concealer, followed by setting powder, followed by bronzer and blush. And then I curl my lashes, and you guys can see in this video as I'm curling my lashes that I have complete ADHD. That's not a joke. I actually have it. And like doing something like curling my lashes, I can't sit still and do it. Like I have to like be moving. Just like when I brush my teeth in the morning, I have to walk around the entire house because it's just so boring to me. But anyway, regardless, this is basically it. And I'm sorry I don't have like a better still shot of the end of this tutorial, but this is it's a supernatural look using a very highly pigmented palette that I happen to love and think is absolutely gorgeous. But if you're a little bit intimidated by the colors, this is a great choice for you. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!